Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial. I will unbox this Amazfit watch. So let's see. Today it was delivered. So see guys. This is Amazfit watch. So just I'm going to unbox it. Fine. Now here, see, it's locked. So it's in a warranty for 1 year. So now see guys, now see, look, I think battery is dead here. No, it's working. Let me see adapter. See guys, this is adapter for charging. See, so this charger, this adapter you can connect in any PC or laptop device here directly in any adapter, and simply you have to keep this watch on a charger. See, this one's like that, and now see, if you would like to charge this one, so this one and this one, so there should be here in stock. And now you have to keep your device. Yeah, see guys.